La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da da. La da da da. Wake up to these better days. No clouds, just sun on my face. Flowers grow through the cracks in the pavement. Fresh kicks and my favorite jeans. Stepping out, living loud and free. Walk around like a brand new melody. Hear me when I'm singing now. Oh, 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 oh.
Let's welcome Mami Kat together with Daddy Christian.
Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better.
And to welcome our pretty girl, everybody clap your hands for Elise.
Hello to this happiness. Living life with the volume up to 10. See the world through my sunshine glasses. Nothing that can bring me down. Down, down, down. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better.
First of all, I want to greet you a very happy birthday. And gusto ko naman ikaw batiin na congratulations kasi natapos mo na naman yung grade 1 ng consistent honor. Ayun. So, parang kailan lang, nung 32 hours kitang pinag-labor, sobrang hirap, pero I can say na thank you Lord kasi worth it lahat ng pain, lahat ng hirap, lahat ng sacrifice, lahat din ng gastos na ginugol namin sa'yo kasi sobrang blessings ka sa family, sobrang yung joy na naibibigay mo sa amin na kaming mami at daddy mo.
Kawin ko na. Umalis kasi ako, 2 years old siya. Nag-abroad kasi ako, so 5 years. Sa mix lang ako. Balik ko na. Anak, sorry. Alam mo na ginagawa ng dad. Mami, salamat kasi pinapasaya mo kami sa family namin, both sides. You make us proud, anak, sa lahat ng achievements.
And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. It only gets better. It only gets better.